A very good morning and Om Shanti to all of you listeners. Welcome back to your own channel, Seek the Soul, the Truth Lies Within. And for all those who are listening to this for the first time, you can go and check out the link where the playlist has been given and it takes you towards yogasanas, diet, relationships, breakups, healing yourself through spirituality, blessings also, the past blessing which you have not checked out, and many, many more things, even diet, by the way. So check that link out and go to the playlist. And if you like something, do share it with others. And now let's go ahead with 237th day of our Godly Blessing. Let's see what Baba has to say in today's blessing. Baba says a very important aspect which we have not been doing right in this world today. And yes, there are repercussions, and we feel completely empty within. Let's find out what is that reason. Baba says, may you keep your record of giving regard good. Now, giving regards to others. Yes, that's what we do wrong and we feel empty from within. And make great donations of happiness as a charitable soul. So, giving regard to somebody is also doing charity. Did you ever think about that? We thought only giving money or giving any kind of household gifts is a form of charity or helping somebody out. So, Baba says, let's get into details. At this moment, there is the need everywhere to keep your record of giving regard good. This record will then play everywhere. If you give regard to somebody, that person is given regard in the true manner, in the truthful manner, in a proper manner, then that will play everywhere because that will carry forward. Give regard and receive regard. When you give respect, when you give regard to somebody, you receive it. Give regard and receive regard. Give regard to the younger ones. Give regard to the older ones. To everybody equally, because we are souls. We are soul conscious. We are not looking at the physical age of a person. So giving regard is giving regard to the soul, not to the physicality. We'll get into that in a little bit. So Baba says, let the record of giving regard now be made, and you will then become a great donor and a charitable soul who gives the donation of happiness. Now, there's a difference between giving regard, the true regard, and the false regard. We have learned that giving regard or a compliment to somebody on the basis of their physical looks is like giving regard to them or respect to them, or compliment on their physical attributes or physical achievements is giving regard to them. But that is limited. God is talking about giving unlimited regard, that is to the qualities of the soul. If somebody has humility, give regard to the humility. If somebody has got politeness, give regard to that politeness. That will be playing around everywhere, that will spread around everywhere. That soul will maintain those qualities within them. But if you give regard only to the physical beauty, you're looking good, you're a handsome boy, you're a beautiful girl, just saying those things, you're looking pretty in that dress, you're looking pretty in that shirt or t-shirt, just saying those simple basic things which we think is making somebody happy is not making somebody happy. Actually, it's making them more body conscious, it's making them more comparative with others, it's making them feel higher or lower basis on the basis of whether they get compliments on the physical basis. But politeness doesn't have any color, doesn't have any caste, doesn't have any creed, doesn't have tallness, is not tall, is not fat or thin, is not ugly or dark or fair. No, it is beyond all these physical attributes which are unlimited. So if somebody has got politeness, compliment on that. Your child should be complimented on that. If somebody has got loyalty, compliment them on that. If somebody has got patience, tolerance, compliment on that. Give them regard on the basis of their qualities, not on their physical attributes. Physical attribute compliments will make them very self-conscious. Yes, on the physical basis, and they'll never be happy throughout their life. You may give them physical regards, you may give them physical gifts, but that's not going to ever fulfill them. They'll always feel empty. But give them the compliments on the basis of the qualities and virtues, values, character. That will make them whole, because that is what is going to carry them forward. If they got discipline, say you are perfect, maintain that discipline. That's wonderful quality in you. If they have got, let's say, acceptance of situations, if they have the aspect of looking at the positive side of every human being and every situation, give them a compliment on that. Maintain that. That's a beautiful thing which God has given you. And always mention that God has given you politeness, God has given you discipline. Don't lose them. They are your jewels. They are your most precious jewels. Never lose them. You can lose money, you can lose everything, but never lose these things which make up you as a person with character, spiritual, divine character. And that is what will make them move forward in the worst of the situations in the world, where money won't help you, where positions will help you, but patience, tolerance, and capability of facing situations and many more values will help you. Just like in the case of COVID, look at people who had money were losing their lives. People who had big positions were losing their life. What was helping them out? The values and the virtues through which people did good karmas. Many of them got saved and many of them got protected. Yes. Ego, people who came into the ego of having good values and virtues can also succumb to a situation like this, mind you. So ego of having this is also not good. Being humble that I have got qualities and virtues is also a quality, but having the ego that I'm humble, that I'm polite, that I'm nice as a person, I'm a good person, no, that doesn't help. A person who helps out everybody on the basis of just finances, anybody on the basis of physical things in their life, is doesn't give you a title of a good person. That is one aspect of it. Somebody can be doing it to gain name and fame, then that's a wrong attribute. Now, giving regard to somebody, a false regard is something else, but giving a true regard, as you have understood, is something else. True regard is on the basis of values and virtues, as you have understood, but we have been giving people fake regard. And when people give us that fake regard, we don't feel complete, because tomorrow again when we wake up, we're like, am I looking good today? Am I looking handsome today? Am I looking beautiful today? For how long can you think about it? So God talks about giving regard in the true manner, the true regard, and that will carry on forever. Nobody can snatch away politeness, nobody can snatch away your royalty and loyalty and humility, but people can snatch away everything else. Everything else which you see physical through your eyes can be taken away, not these things. So compliment on things which are permanent, not on things which are temporary. Temporary things, if you compliment on that, that is not true regard, that is a false regard, because you want something out of it, you want something out of that person. But if you give regard to somebody's quality, what do you want in return? If somebody is loyal, what do you want in return? If somebody is polite, what do you want in return? Right? If somebody is polite, it enhances that even more, but nobody can enhance their beauty. It's going to, someday or the other, is going to come down. Nobody can enhance their physical attributes or physical achievements. It's slowly going to come down, deteriorate over a period of time. But those values, even when you're 80 years old, 90 years old, those values and virtues will never deteriorate. Right? Think about it. So the Baba says to make someone happy by giving him regard is a great act of charity. Now this is true charity. That's real service, because you are helping that soul to be in touch or be connected with the virtues and values, which goes on for a very long haul, for a very long run, as compared to anything physical which we see on this world. And if you think that what you've learned over here is very valuable, do make that change. And if you think that this is the right thing which God has told us, put your comments down and spread this news to everybody. People whom you think they should change their way of thinking, spread this, but change yourself first before you ask them to change or share this. Go ahead, have a blessed day, stay home. This is Saturday today. Stay happy, stay content, and make others happy around you by giving them the right regard. Om Shanti.